is my sister's kitten. What's up guys, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my weekend cleaning routine, which is something that I do pretty much, you know, every weekend because during the week my room gets very messy. So these are the steps I take to make it clean on the weekends. But before we get into that, I have a huge announcement slash like just thing that we're all gonna do together. Some of you may know slash have seen my post on YouTube, like in the community tab, about wanting to do an interactive series, I guess, on my channel called the Week of Blank Challenge. That gives you a day-by-day guide for each day of that week, and each day there'll be something that you have to do for that challenge. So for example, the first challenge, which I know a lot of y'all said you're excited about, and I'm excited about because spring cleaning, Week of Cleaning Challenge. Week of Cleaning and Organization Challenge. The map of the week, as well as all instructions and different videos you can watch to help you get through each day of the challenge, is all available for you to view or download or print on my website. So I'll have the link in the description box. It's just katmaytv.com. The point of this is to kind of bring our whole big family together and interact together. Of course, I'll be doing the challenge with you guys. So what I will be doing is each day of the challenge, I will vlog part of it, and then I will upload my full, like, my week of cleaning challenge video so that y'all can see how my week went. And then of course I would love if you guys would comment on that video, tell me how your week went. Comment down below if you are going to participate in this challenge. Before we leave this video, make sure you click that subscribe button if you have not already, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, if you are going to start doing this on the weekends to keep your room clean. So here's a little overview of how clean my room currently is. Got nothing on the ground, my bed's made, laundry's put away, towels are in the bathroom where they're supposed to be. It just looks great, doesn't it?
Kiss me hard, forget them judging eyes.
Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is taking all of my sheets off my bed because I do like to wash them once a week. I don't wash my duvet cover every single week, but I like to wash that at least once every other week, once every 3 weeks. So this is a week where I will be washing it. And I also find that cleaning my room is a lot easier if my bed at least looks like it's made. So I use my throw blankets to kind of finish making it so it looks a little bit better. So I'm washing the fitted sheets, the duvet cover, the white blanket that I put on top, and then I'm also going to throw my robe in there because it's white and it should be washed. And then I have a couple white clothing items I'll throw in there as well.
I don't fear the night. Let's show him what it is to be alive.
Next, I recommend taking care of all of the clothing items in your room. Like I said, I had a ton of clean laundry that had to be put away, so that's what I'm doing right now. And I like to put on like a show or listen to music or something while I do my laundry because that just, I don't know, makes it go by a little faster. I put all my clothes away, and then like y'all saw, I had a second basket of clothes. Side note, make sure that you're doing your laundry every single week and don't wait too long like me, and then you just have like so much laundry that it makes you super overwhelmed, because that's what I did. And it's not very pleasant, but I finished putting all of my laundry away. And then I just went around and put all of the dirty clothes that were in my room into my hamper.
Come and move that in my direction. So thankful for that, it's such a blessing, yeah. Turn every situation into heaven.
Okay, so a little update now that I've taken care of all of the clothes around my room. It still looks pretty messy, but the clothes help. And the fact that my bed is made, well, sort of made, is also helps. Now, my biggest tip when it comes to cleaning your room, no matter how messy, clean, big, small it is, and this is like the best method I can recommend, is to clean it in sections. You can see I started out taking care of my desk, and then I moved to the floor, and I just basically went section by section because especially if your room is super messy, it can seem very overwhelming. So if you specify little sections to work on individually, this is really going to help you to stay focused, not get overwhelmed, and get it all done. And if you have a good method to cleaning, I swear it's like one of the most therapeutic things I've ever done. So find what works for you, but I definitely recommend separating it into sections, and that also is kind of the layout of the Week of Cleaning Challenge. And then my favorite part, which most of y'all probably know because I say this in every cleaning video, I love my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. So I'm just going around and wiping down all of the surfaces with it. And then later later that day when I got back, I made my bed. I will say that putting a duvet cover back on, like your comforter, is very difficult. Let me know in the comments if you also have a duvet cover and you find the struggle to be real too, because it's just, I don't know why, but it's so difficult. But I got through it. I made my bed. I put away the extra laundry that I had done, and then my room was finally clean. It was such a nice feeling. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment down below if you are going to be participating in the week of cleaning challenge. I'm so excited. Don't forget, all the information is in my website. The link is in the description box. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.